Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you how to check your AC to see if why your AC is not running. Let me show you real quick the main thing to check here. It's the capacitor. It's the run cap. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the capacitor is not bulged out and swelled up. If it's bulged up and swelled up, then you know that that's the capacitor. That's the problem. It's like a battery. Just make sure when you take this capacitor out that you mark all these wires here, and don't touch nothing metal up against here. If you do, it's going to discharge. It's just like a battery, okay? So be careful when you take it out, and then just call an AC company and you can order one of these. These things are no more than 12 bucks. All right, if you have a guy come out, it's going to cost you at least $150. This is another capacitor up here. Usually these don't go bad. This one, the silver one, and they're all usually silver, is the main one with all the wires coming out of it, is going to be the problem. And you'll be able to tell because it's going to protrude. It's going to be protruding out of the side, or mostly from the top. Okay, so what you want to do is all the ACs are pretty much the same. Just take your panel off, and usually has the writing on it like this or right there. Take that panel off, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to push this button in here. Now every AC has this little button. You're going to push it and you'll hear it start up. If that fan up here is not spinning, then you know it's probably the and the capacitor isn't bulged out and the fan's not spinning, then probably your fan motor is out. But if you push this and all you hear is the compressor kick on and the fan doesn't spin, then it's going to be your capacitor. Okay, so, and if it's not protruding or nothing like that, then it's probably the capacitor anyway. All right, so there's only so many things that can go wrong with the AC, but every AC is going to have this little button. If your fan's not spinning and you push that, it's more than likely it's your capacitor. Just call an AC company or wholesale or company, or go to Amazon and order you one. Just get the same specs that are on it, right? Like this one, get all the same specs. Okay, to make sure that your compressor's working, what you're gonna do is hold this button, hold it down at the same time, and then you're gonna hold on to this portion right here. That's where your compressor comes out. And see, I can already feel it, it's getting cold. So you're gonna push this button, hold this at the same time. Let's see if I can videotape this all. And then you're gonna hold that right here. You see this metal pipe that goes here into the compressor. Hold on to that and it'll get cold. Then you know your compressor is not bad, okay? So that's just a quick short little video to show you. Make sure you guys like my videos and thumbs up them. And you know, thanks again for watching the videos. But yeah, just this little short quick video to show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you guys later how to clean out your I want to call them vents, but they're not your vents. They're your coils. How to clean out your coils here. Just a little upkeep on your AC. Okay, so again, here's this part right here. Just push that in. You'll hear it fire up. And if it doesn't, if it only makes the compressor work, which is down here, what's inside here, but the AC, the coolant comes through here. If that doesn't, if all you hear is that start up, then it's going to be this. Okay, if you don't hear this start up but the fan starts going, then it's probably going to be your compressor. Okay, there's only so many things that can do it. Or if you have another part what goes to this part here, all of this, there might be another part what's up in your attic or something. There might be water up in the pan. Go check the pan up there. If there's water in there, suck it all out and find out why the line is backing up, because your AC has a drip system. What drips out condensed, it gets condensed and it drips out water. So you can check that part also. Now if you guys have any